In Ljubljana, we like our food fresh from local farms delivered to the food market. We also love to combine traditional recipes with internationally inspired cooking. Our beautiful city is located in the center between the Mediterranean, Alpine, Pannonian and Balkan region. Some suggest that this spiral sign influenced Slovenian cuisine because we really like to roll, especially štrukli and potica. Štrukli, boiled rolls of filo pastry with filling. They can be served as side dish, like cottage cheese štrukli or tarragon štrukli, and on the other hand, apple štrukli or walnut štrukli can be served as an appetizer. Talking about rolled appetizers, potica, the most distinctive Slovenian dessert, first mentioned in 1575. The most popular is of course walnut potica. Then you have poppy seed potica, which is my favorite, and the most unique Aragon potica. And talking about rolling, Ljubljana is excellent for rolling around. From street food joints to high-end restaurants or interesting culinary events, we have it all. Or don't pointlessly roll around town and take one of our Taste Ljubljana food and drink tours, and you'll be on a roll. Just remember, when you arrive to Ljubljana, go for the local flavors. Enjoy!